Are you still guessing how to price your jobs and sometimes rolling the dice, wondering if you're actually making any money? Maybe you feel a twinge of panic every time a client asks you for a quote, or you're frustrated that your margins never seem to match all your hard work. I get it. You're out there grinding, building decks, cleaning gutters, repairing plumbing, cleaning homes, and at the end of the day, you deserve to have real profit, not just pocket change. That's exactly why I created How Much Should I Charge? If you've been a home service pro for any length of time, you've asked that question more than once. Maybe you're pulling in $500,000 a year, $500,000 up to $1 million in gross sales, but at the end, each December, you're wondering, where's all my profit going? Or maybe you're on the other side, just starting out, hoping to save yourself the painful 2-year detour that I survived, only to discover that I've been leaning my ladder against the wrong wall, sailing my ship and flying my plane 10 degrees off course for a long time, ending up miles away from my intended destination. Either way, this is going to be your solution. My name is Drew Cope. I'm a Dad-preneur from Kennett Square, Pennsylvania, mushroom capital of the world. Not those kind of mushrooms. And I started fixing homes for clients back in 2002. Our 5-part video series was recorded live over 5 days for people just like you. The handyman who's ready to raise his rates. The house cleaner who's tired of underbidding. The electrician who wants a fair price for top-notch work. In these videos, I'm going to walk you through step by step uncovering your true costs so you're never caught off guard. We're going to talk about setting a profitable price that reflects your skill and not just the going rate, by using simple math hacks to protect your margins, even if you've been winging it until now. We're diving into the very math that most contractors and home service pros often avoid and completely overlook. Don't worry, this is basic pen and paper math. A 7th grader can do this, and so can you. Together, we are going to plug those hidden holes, like true employee cost, office overhead, and how to finally set your prices so that you actually take home an extra $100,000 in profit at the end of the year. Here's our approach. First, we're going to uncover the real cost of a $10 an hour, $20 an hour, even a $45 an hour employee so that you're never blindsided by payroll again. Next, we're going to calculate your capacity, your billable, your non-billable hours, so you know exactly how many jobs your crew can handle and what kind of revenue you can reasonably expect realistically to generate from your team. Then we're going to factor in your office staff, your material markups, your margin targets, and we're going to protect you from underpricing your jobs. By the end, you'll see precisely what rate you need to charge to free up the profit that you deserve. Does this sound complicated? I promise you, it's not. It's actually very straightforward once you see it in action, step by step, line by line. You'll watch the live recordings where we do the math step by step, and whether you run a home cleaning service, a gutter business, a carpentry company, a plumber, electrician, roofer, handyman, or you bake custom cakes, it doesn't matter. This system is absolutely universal. And once you finish all 5 videos, you're going to join our community of like-minded professionals who are determined to quit bleeding money and start pocketing real earnings. If you're serious about running a business and not just a side gig, then I want you to click the link to grab How Much Should I Charge right now. Don't let FOPO stop you. You know, fear, overwhelm, procrastination, overthinking. You get in that from time to time. I do too. This free course, How Much Should I Charge, is where you're going to finally ditch the guesswork and step into thriving, profitable home service business that you have always imagined. Picture this. Next month, you're going to quote a job with total confidence. The client says yes, and you finally see the kind of profit that you've been craving. You can literally feel the stress lifting, can't you? That's the difference this course can make and has made for so many who've taken it already. So if you've ever wondered, am I charging enough? How do I raise my rates without scaring my customers away? Then this course and this community is your golden ticket. So I want you to click below, jump in, let's do this together. Math is the path to the thriving business you've always wanted. So let's make sure that you end this year with profit in your pocket.